Automations allow you to automate tasks in your website for your business. To create your first automation, under FunnelKit Automations, click on Automations. Next, click on Create Automation, and here you'll see a list of what we call recipes, which are out-of-the-box done-for-you automations, and then click Start from Scratch. In this example, we're going to create an abandoned cart automation. So with it named, I'll click Create. Now we're in the automation builder. So an automation triggers based on an event. So if we click Select an Event, these are all the different events and triggers that can occur to bring somebody into this automation. So we have our categories on the left-hand side. Automations is related to the events that occur inside of FunnelKit Automations. So things like when you add a tag to a contact, you could add them into this automation and then perform actions based on that event occurring. If you're using our other plugin, FunnelKit Funnel Builder, then clicking on Funnel Builder, you'll see a list of all the different events that can occur in the Funnel Builder to get somebody into an automation. So when they submit an opt-in form or when they end a funnel, they could be added into this automation. When they view one of the upsells or downsells, or even when an upsell is recovered. Under WooCommerce, you could add somebody into an automation when they abandon their cart. When they abandon their cart but then make a purchase, that cart would be deemed as recovered. When they purchase a specific product, when the order status changes, when you refund an item, and all the other ones that you see on the screen here. If you are integrating with WooCommerce add-ons like WooCommerce subscriptions, you can trigger an automation to occur when these events occur. For example, a subscription is created or just before renewal, when a renewal payment fails, when the subscription status changes, when the trial ends. Down here, if you're using WooCommerce memberships, when a membership is created, when the status changes, and if you're using the WooCommerce wishlist add-on, then when these events occur, you could add them into this automation. When you see events that are disabled and grayed out, that means that this plugin is not installed and activated on the website. If we were to install and activate the WooCommerce memberships plugin, then we would have access to these two events here and they would not be disabled anymore. Under WordPress, you see some other events like when a user is created or when they log in or when you update their user role. Under LMS, we integrate with LearnDash, which is a leading LMS plugin for WordPress. So if you are selling online courses using LearnDash, you could trigger an automation and subsequent events to occur within the automation based on the following actions. Watch the full video by clicking the link below. If you're not already using the powerful features of FunnelKit Automations, then definitely reach out to our pre-sales team or head on over to our pricing page to see our current deals.